Ready to unlock a world of free tacos and exclusive deals? Let's dive into how to master the Taco Bell Rewards program. First, make sure you have the Taco Bell app downloaded and that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one once you're in. Navigate to the rewards section found at the bottom of the screen. Earning points is simple. Every dollar you spend at Taco Bell earns you points. Just make sure you're logged in and either scan your QR code at the register or order through the app. Keep an eye out for bonus point challenges. These can help you rack up points even faster. Now for the fun part, redeeming those points. In the rewards section, you'll see a list of available rewards. These can range from free tacos and burritos to specialty drinks and sides. Point values for each reward are clearly displayed. Choose the reward you want by tapping on it. Then click the redeem button. The app will guide you through adding it to your order, whether you're ordering ahead or at the restaurant. Don't forget to customize your order. The app lets you tweak almost anything, from adding extra sauce to removing ingredients. Get creative and make your Taco Bell order exactly how you want it. And that's it. By using Taco Bell Rewards, you can enjoy your favorite Taco Bell meals even more. So download the app, start earning those points, and get ready for some delicious rewards.